vModel isn't limited to native inputs. Your own components can support it too, once you know the two pieces it's really shorthand for. In this video you'll build a custom input component that works with vModel just like a real input tag. This is the real two-piece contract, a modelValue prop for the current value, and an update modelValue emit on every real keystroke. From the parent, vModel works exactly the same as it does on a native input tag. Vue expands it to modelValue plus at update modelValue automatically. This component exposes two independent named model bindings, title and active, each with its own real prop emit pair. vModel, title and vModel, active bind to genuinely separate refs, each synced through its own named channel. Without implementing the prop emit contract, vModel simply doesn't work on your own components. Once you add it, vModel behaves identically whether it's pointed at a native input or a component you wrote yourself. vModel on a component expands to a modelValue prop plus an update modelValue emit. Implementing that prop emit pair is all a component needs to support vModel. Named vModel, prop name, lets one component expose multiple independent bindings. Build a custom checkbox component that supports vModel using the modelValue update modelValue pattern. Next, letting a parent pass real markup into a child component with slots.